If your car is dirty, and as long as you have more than room temperature IQ, you will find this ad useful. If not, just keep scrolling. Look, we've all been there. Coffee stains, dirty cup holders, sticky steering wheel, from God knows what. Let's not forget about all those sweaty, moist farts you constantly rip into the seat after a long day at work, or your hot breath polluting the cabin when you do your passionate sing-alongs. If any of these relate, great. It's about time we clean the car. Let's book a professional mobile car detailer near you in just a few clicks. Yes, mobile? Which means the service comes to you, whether at home or at work. The booking process is easy. You get to choose from a list of the best car detailers in your city. Now do everyone a favor, especially for your peace of mind, and visit www.pandahub.com to book your service today. For a limited time only, receive 30% off the Panda Revive package.